Hello, today I'm very excited to bring to you my honest review of these dog toys I got from the brand Huge Me. So I got in a 2-pack here. We got a giraffe and an elephant. These are really cool toys right here. So they have like a rope style design. So for the elephant, has this rope going all the way around it and a nice plush toy right here as well. And it's a squeaker. So it does great. Let's say she wants to just go ahead and squeak the toy or play tug of war with the rope. They can go ahead and do that. Looks really cool with the elephant. Now let's go ahead and show off that giraffe. So this is what the giraffe's looking like. As you can see, it's got that rope figure to it. It's got arms here for the ropes, legs here, and then that body being the rope as well. And a very cool figurine up here on the top. And you can see it's super squishy. And of course, this is also gonna have a squeaker in it as well. These are really, really cool dog toys. You've gotta check these out from Huge Me. I just absolutely love these. I have a yellow Labrador, about 70, 75 pounds, and he loves chewing on these. And they're really durable with that rope. As you can see, they look brand new still. So check them out at Huge Me.